How to enable two-step verification on Amazon. So the first step is by opening your Chrome or your Safari web browser and then go ahead on Amazon.com. Once you have done that, simply type in or input or sign in with your account. And then once you have signed in, simply click on your profile found on the upper right of the screen, scroll down and look for the See All Account button. Click on See All Account and then scroll down until you can see the login and security option found under account settings. Click on login and security, scroll down and make sure to click on turn on the two-step verification. Wait for it to load, click on get started, and then you may use your phone number or an authenticator app. So if you are in the US, make sure choose US right here or choose another country if you're in another country. Make sure to type in your phone number, click on continue, and type in the code that it will be sent on your phone number. Simply follow the steps needed, and then that's it. That's how you can enable two-step verification on Amazon. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.